All right, y'all. So I'm back with another video flying the HS360E. So I'm glad I was able to fly this because the next week a hurricane came through. So I will get back out there as soon as I can. But in the meantime, let's watch this video and hope you enjoy it.
Last time I flew this, had a little interference, so I'm going to try again. I've already set this up, put the memory card in it. Now let's go to the HSY. So I'm going to do the calibration. And so
I tried some different settings, including the time lapse. This wasn't my best as far as making sure I didn't move the sticks while the time lapse was going. So I'll try this again at a later date, but just wanted to test it out really quickly. After the time lapse, my drone disconnected from the controller. So it did take me some time. I ended up bringing it back down and now going into the spiral example.
Alright, so it took a while to get back connected to the screen. Now let's try some of the different modes. Over here we have like a Alright, so let's try the spiral and see what happens.
I'm not sure why this happened. It was 90 degrees that day, but in actuality, I still had battery left, even though it said low battery. So I just decided to end this flight and I'll try again later. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more drone tips and drone news.